Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Serani's No Games, sampled by rapper Eminem. The entertainer receives a favorable payout from Slim Shady. Dancehall artist Serani has earned a payout from rapper Eminem. The rapper, also known as Slim Shady, sampled parts of Serani's 2008 hit song No Games on his track Farewell from his latest controversial album Music to be Murdered By. With the Weekend Star, Serani described Eminem as one of the best lyricists music has ever produced. So being sampled by such a master of his craft was an honor, noting that Eminem sampling his biggest song makes him really proud. The Weekend Star understands that for granting permission to use his song, Serani received a favorable payout from Slim Shady's team. His manager Julian Jones Griffiths declined to give a figure but confirmed that the DJ was duly compensated. Meanwhile, Serani is currently on Grammy watch after he collaborated with African singer Burna Boy and American singer Jeremiah on the song Secret. The track is featured on Burna Boy's Atlantic Records album African Giant, which was nominated for Best World Music Album. Serani has also assured his fans that in a matter of weeks, he'll be releasing new music via Universal Records. Serani will also be performing in New York this weekend and then Miami over the Super Bowl weekend. The momentum is building for the highly anticipated Grammy Awards. The anticipation is at fever pitch for the announcement of the winner of Best Reggae Album at the 62nd staging of the annual awards. A contender in the running for the coveted award is newcomer Coffee with her first EP Rapture. Julian Marley is nominated for the album As I Am. It is Julian Marley's second nomination. He was nominated back in 2009 for the album Awake. Sly and Robbie and Roots Radics are nominated for their 12th time for the album The Final Battle, Sly and Robbie vs. Roots Radics. Sly and Robbie won the Best Reggae Album in 1998 for their album Friends. Now Steel Pulse is nominated for the album Mass Manipulation. Steel Pulse won the Reggae Grammy back in 1986 for the album Babylon the Bandit. This is their 9th Best Reggae Album nomination. Rounding out the top 5 is Third World with the album More Work to Be Done. This is Third World's 9th Best Reggae Grammy nomination. Sting and Shaggy won the 2019 Grammy Award for the album 44876. Damian Jr. Gong Marley won in 2018 for his album Stony Hill. The biggest night in music, the 62nd Annual Grammy Awards will be live on Sunday at 7:30 p.m. right here on TVJ. Now, Romain Virgo is seeing doubles. The reggae singer Romain Virgo and his wife Elizabeth have welcomed twins. Congratulations are in order for the couple who celebrated their first wedding anniversary last September. Virgo made the announcement on Instagram, which also coincides with his 30th birthday today. It's official. Happy birthday to Daddy, Romain Virgo. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.